Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in the lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my domain. Yeah, I got what it takes. They lost in mistakes, taking shots, taking breaks. Feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, seeing straight. Never stop, never change. All the squad here to play and I've got some things to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flies into college traits. I feel tall, never got the space.
The pain makes me real. I don't wanna feel, I just wanna kill the bad thoughts and steal a good thought and feel. I'm just lost to feel, I'm just lost to feel. I need time to heal, I can't stand the wheel. Cause this ride me feel, it gives me chills. And I slow to feel, I slip off the field and crash on the steel. I am the kill.
6 AM man, I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb. A new class divine, yeah, true passion shines.